In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo payment completed but recipient didn't get it. So as you can see, I have in here this article that can help us. So if your payment is marked as complete but it has not been received, it may be because of the recipient's account issues. The recipient may not be verified, or you have inputted the wrong information about them, or if they have the wrong information into their account as well. So you need to input the right details. If your account have problems, or if their account have problems like closed or suspended, they won't be able to get the payment. The next option or the next reason for that is maybe because of bank transfer wait times. So if the recipient chooses to move their Venmo balance to their bank, it could take 1 to 3 business days for the money to show up as well. Now, remember, weekend and holidays can also slow things down, and if they're having some technical issues, Venmo might have temporary glitches that will actually create this particular error. Now, if your payment is pending or incompleted on your side and pending on theirs, this may be because Venmo is checking it for safety or fraud reasons. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.